Hello and welcome to another unboxing from MoreBikes. This unboxing's got a bit of a twist because whatever it is in this box here, you can actually win. Now there's a small clue on the front of the packaging here. It says Sena. So without further delay, let's have a look what is in the box. We have a substantial amount of packaging which we're going to get rid of. Here we go. Which leaves us inside the box two bits of kit, in fact. Let's get them out and take a look. Right, packaging out the way. Let's have a look what we've got here then. Okay, up for grabs, and we will tell you about that in a few days' time. So this is a little teaser unboxing video, if you like. We have two of the very latest Sena 5S motorcycle Bluetooth communication systems. Now this little gadget here, it runs with the latest Bluetooth technology. It will provide you with an intercom up to 0.4 of a mile, that's 700 meters. So you can talk to a friend you're riding with, or obviously you can talk to your pillion. And it works as a fantastic two-way intercom, but it also has FM radio built into it as well. A nifty LCD display panel on the side, which is no good when it's on your helmet, of course, but when you're setting it up, scrolling through the menus, changing the settings, it is an absolute godsend. So very well done, Sena, for including that. It works with either Android or iPhones on the Sena smartphone app, and it is firmware upgradable, which means you can upgrade the firmware. Okay, so let's whip this out of the box and take a look. I won't mess about with it too much, or them should I say, as they are prizes. So nestling away in the box, nicely encased in this thick foam packaging, is the unit itself. The Sena 5S Bluetooth communication system. There we go, compact and lightweight. And ready with its twin companion to be won by a reader or a follower on social media or website of MoreBikes. Let's see what else we've got in the box. So hidden away inside the box, underneath our unit here, we have a whole plethora of bits and pieces here. All the earphone attachments. We have a boom microphone if you wish to use this with an open face helmet, and we have all the wiring and fitting should you wish to put it inside a full face motorcycle helmet. All the sticky pads, all the attachments, all the wiring. A very nice box, two of them to win. Bluetooth motorcycle communication system, the 5S from Sena. So keep watching our social media channels because we'll be announcing in a few days' time exactly how you could win these.